3, 2, 1, music.
Hi, I'm Alan from scootersales.com.au, and today we're doing our 5 minutes in focus on the new importer Arqin motorcycles. Now, I haven't been in Australia for too long, but I thought today we'd check them out. Arqin is an importer of not only scooters but also ATVs, dirt bikes and the Bruiser road bike range. In the scooter world, you would know Arqin for the Sprint 125cc scooter and along with its smaller brother the Metro 4 50cc 4-stroke scooter. Dedicated to the Australian market, Arqin is a joint venture with the manufacturer in China, Qinji. Established in 1956, Qinji employs over 3,000 workers, manufactures over 150 products, and exports to over 80 countries worldwide. Arqin's commitment in Australia is not small by any means, and warehouse facilities have been set up in Western Sydney to support a thriving industry and a growing dealer network, which finds itself around 55 dealers nationally already. The support team at Arqin has been put in place from the top down, and service and support has been one of the top priorities. Today, let's get to know a couple of the faces behind the Arqin brand.
Right. G'day, my name is Dale Corsa. I'm part of the sales team here at Arqin Motorcycles. My role here at Arqin Motorcycles is to build and maintain our 55 plus dealers nationwide.
Hi everyone, I'm Gordon Ross, your Warranty and Service Manager for Arqin Motorcycles. I back up our national dealer network with all the spare parts and service items that they require. So good luck and thanks for riding Arqin.
Competing in last year's Le Mans 24-hour scooter race, Arqin also picked up a swag of awards. Arqin continues to support the industry through their sponsorship of various charities, events, as well as offers to the public. Well, I've really enjoyed my day here at Arqin Motorcycles today. I've gotten to know Arqin, and I hope you have too. And Arqin works by the motto of friends first and business second. So Arqin's motto is, it brings balance. So that's it for me, Alan Drysdale, on 5 minutes in focus on scootersales.com.au. I'll see you next time.
Music.